friends, welcome back to my channel again. GlobalLogic Technologies is hiring for the associate software engineer position. Job location is Gurgaon, and this will be the work from office opportunity. Okay, they have not mentioned work from home. It will be only work from office. A brief introduction about the company they have given here. Experience required 0 to 1 year. Okay, 0, that means if you are a fresher you can apply, or if you are having 6 months of year as 6 months experience, or up to 1 year of experience, then yes, you can apply. Your designation will be associate software engineer. Education qualification required B.Tech in computer engineering or IT, or MCA or MTech in CSE. Okay, then read about web crawling, web scraping before applying. Okay, they have directly mentioned here. Before applying, you just go through, you can search on Google as well what is web crawling or web scraping before applying. Technical skills required: strong technical knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, excellent knowledge of SQL, good knowledge of regular expressions, strong OOPS concept. Okay, object oriented programming, knowledge of any programming language, example C, C++, or Python or Java, thorough understanding Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Docs, PDF slides, PowerPoint, excellent logical and analytical skills, technical understanding of e-commerce websites. Okay, what will be your roles and responsibilities once you join as a associate software engineer? The ability to develop and implement high quality code, that is programming language code, in a timely manner, ability to work independently and efficiently to complete assigned tasks, then ability to write error free programs, scripts, SQL queries independently, ability to provide strong analysis or recommendations for efficient solutions, ability to communicate verbal and written issues for or solutions precisely. Okay, so these are the roles and responsibilities. Key skills: HTML, JavaScript, SQL, spreadsheet or Excel, regular expressions, OOPS concept, which includes Java or C++, then Linux, software testing, Ajax, crawling, extraction, data scraping, Python. Okay, it's not necessary that you should have all these key skills. If you have at least one key skill, either you can have Java skill, either you can have HTML or CSS or JavaScript or SQL, then still you can apply. But what they have mentioned here, before applying, please read or go through once what is web crawling, web scraping. Okay, so they have mentioned here what you need to do. Your mail ID will be automatically it will come here. You need to click on next to apply. Okay, now you need to fill these details: your name, your mail ID. Please recheck your email ID once before submitting, because whatever the further communication will happen, it will happen through your mail ID only. Okay, suppose if you give wrong email ID, then you will not get any update further, right? So recheck your mail ID once before submitting this entire form. Then give your contact number, then your total experience. If you are a fresher, you can give here. If you are having 6 months of experience or 1 year of experience, you can select this. Okay, then select your qualification from these. Okay, you can select others also. Graduation or post graduation pass out year. Undergraduate candidates are not eligible for the role. You can select the year here. Current CTC, total CTC in annual figure out. It means, and suppose your current CTC is 3 lakhs, then you need to enter here 3 lakhs, 3 and 5 times 0. Okay, like that. Expected CTC, if you are expecting suppose 4 or 5, okay, as per your preference, you can select here 5 and 5 times 0. Okay, it will be only lakh in per annum. Then what is your current organization? If you are applying as a fresher, you can write here NA, that is not applicable. Okay, that means you don't have experience. Notice period for the fresher candidates, you can select immediate. If you are a fresher, if you are applying as a fresher, you can select immediate. Or if you are like currently working in any company, any organization, then as per their each company have their separate notice period you need to serve, either 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. You can select accordingly. Are you able to sorry, I am willing to work from office after my joining? You can select here yes or no. Okay, you can select here COVID-19 vaccination status. Okay, you can select here your what is your current location, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Delhi, out of Delhi. Okay, you can select according to you what is your preferred location. Then heard about the job on whether you have heard about this job opportunity on Naukri portal or LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or other. As per your preference, you can select. Resume, you need to upload your resume. Okay, either PDF file or doc file you can upload here. And once you fill all these details, you need to submit. And please note that one thing, whenever you will see the star mark here, whenever you see the star mark here, that means it is mandatory. That is mandatory. Okay, once you fill all these entire details, then submit this form. Okay, submit this form. So if you are interested and wants to apply, then please apply for this position. It's really a good opportunity. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends as well, so that they can also apply. Thank you.